Cadoro Velvet is an elegant decorative finishing for interiors that creates a velvet effect, rich in shadings and soft to the touch. Cadoro Velvet must be applied onto the specific base, decor fond. We recommend using a short wool roller to avoid an orange peel effect on the surface. The product is ready for use and can be applied with a steel or plastic square trowel. On difficult backgrounds, we recommend using a brush to lay, to afterwards decorate with the steel or plastic square trowel. Spread the first layer and when dry, approximately 6 hours, apply the second layer in the same way as for the first. To create decorative reflections, turn the trowel blade on the surface in opposite directions when the second coat begins to dry. The application method and decorative effect of Cadoro Velvet are enhanced in the darker colors, which bring out the shades created by incident light.